All right, folks, I'm going to show you, do some maintenance on your car. I'm going to show you where and how to replace the cabin air filter on your 2015 Chrysler Town Country. So in this particular model, you have to undo the glove box, okay? But you'll notice it stops. So there's a little flat here, there's a little flat here. You have to pinch them in. And then also something that's a little tricky is we have to remove this piece. Let me see if I can put you in there. You have to remove this piece because this is like a slow opening device. So let me get you set up and I'll show you what you got to do. All right, so the easiest thing I found is you're going to need a little, I usually use a pocket screwdriver, and what you're going to do is you're going to get in here and you're just going to pry it back towards, let me show you. You're going to pry it back towards this opening that's right there. It will kind of fall inside, but that's no big deal. Once you get the door down, I'll show you what I mean. You'll be able to find it. So what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze in on that, you're going to squeeze in on the right, and then the door will come down. So just watch the contents. This one just has a little CD holder. No big deal, that can fall out. But inside of here, this is what I was talking about. It's just like this spring-loaded, you know, easy open, cushion open type thing. And then what you're going to do is the filter is right back here. You're going to, there's two tabs. You're going to squeeze this side and then it releases the door. And then underneath of here is where the cabin air filter is. So I'm going to take this out. I'm going to clean out inside of here, which is, there's actually not much. And then one thing you're going to take note of is, so this one, it's mighty, so it's been changed before. And you're going to notice on here, it's hard to see, but the airflow will go down. Let me make sure. Yeah, you're going to want the airflow pointing down. So on your new filter, which is this one, unfortunately it's upside down, but this is I'm using a CarQuest filter, 90228P. This one actually doesn't say airflow, but usually the direction of the arrow is the direction of the airflow. You're going to simply line that up, which whatever way, usually 90% of the time, it might be like 92. It can only go in one direction. Sometimes you have to turn it 90 degrees. Then you'll just come in here, you'll pop this cover back on. Okay, just make sure it's fully seated. Sometimes I'll go in there, I'll write the date, you know, when it was done, just so you can peek in there and find that quickly. But now, what you have to do, get this set up here for you. What you have to do is you have to reach in and hold this one open, and then as you bring it up, get that little tab set in there, and then once that's in there, you squeeze these again, you bring it back up. I'll usually go in here, make sure that's all the way seated. Yep, there we go. And then you'll put your contents back in, all the stuff that fell out. We got the CD, we got the waste bag, the straws, and when you're all done, you get a nice clean airflow. As you can see, look how dirty this thing was. This thing's pretty dirty. So, all right, well, I hope this helps somebody. 2015 Chrysler Town & Country cabin air filter. All right, thanks for watching, guys.